Hello everyone, it's Isaac here, and today this is quite a big deal because this is my first time cooking some food. Today I'm cooking some scrambled eggs, and my amazing mum taught me how to make them and to turn the heating on. First I beat up the eggs. I did the picture every 10 seconds so you can actually look at it. But here's me actually cooking the egg. I stirred it with I think it's a wooden spoon I stirred it with. And I've always wanted to cook, so yeah. And then this is me plating it up with my plate. Well, actually serving it on my plate with some challah bread, because I eat challah. And the fact is, I'm Jewish, so that's the reason. And here's actually me serving it on the plate, but then the saucepan is empty. This is my first time actually cooking something, so you should be proud. And then this is me enjoying my scrambled eggs on challah toast, which is what I really enjoyed. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It will help the channel out. Bye.